Onion and garlic are finely chopped. Bird mode into smaller pieces. Now, we will add spices to taste. I added a tablespoon of salt without a bump. Half a teaspoon of pepper. We put the chopped onion and garlic in the meat and add mayonnaise, a whole pack. Now, we'll mix it all up. We put the meat in the sleeve for baking. Put the remaining ingredients and sunflower oil. We make several holes in the sleeve and put it to bake for 1.5 - 2 hours. We get the bird, and look how beautiful it turned out, and it tastes very tasty.